we have a really nice, like new, red Delicia Favorit III Steirische style diatonic button accordion. It's in the keys of C, F, B flat, and has 3 middle reeds like the traditional accordions have. This instrument has a gleichtone in the 2nd and 3rd row, but besides that is fully diatonic. Of course, over here on the left side, we have those awesome Helikon reeds. So right here, you have an instrument that is definitely going to be a great way of entering the world of learning how to play the Steirische diatonic button accordion and get you quite a lot of experience and moving along with a fine instrument. In order to demonstrate the notes, I'm going to start on the 1st row going in, and then doing the 1st row going out. And out. Second row going in. Going out. Third row going in. And going out. Now, the left hand. The 3rd row bass is going in and out. 2nd row, in, out. 1st row, in and out. The counter basses, starting at the bottom,